birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
A few moments later.
Ayan, happy birthday! Runs 20! Runs 20! Kami lang gumawa ng cake. From our heart. Dua. Ayan, gumawa tayo ng pansit kasi birthday ngayon ni Runs. Kaya, of course, hindi mawala ang pansit sa atin. Sarap. Lagyan natin ng fishbowl. Wow. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Runs 20. Runs 20. Happy birthday, happy birthday, Runs 20. Happy birthday. Yan guys. So guys, kakarating lang sa work. Ito yun. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
You are like five.
Jo. Yay. Yung birthday boy. Happy birthday 20, Runs. You are 20 now. You are in the 20s. Just Nicole now is teen. Huh? Teen. Teen.
You are Tinta. Actually, here is one more chicken. No, no, for you. You are birthday boy.
Hmm? Bagay na bagay ang suot. Sana all dalagang Pilipina. Happy birthday!
Are you happy?
Grape pa to.
Yeah, black grapes. Thank you. Birthday!
Birthday!
Birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! It's a sweet.
No. It's all.
Yeah.
Liquid gold.
This is sweet.
Yeah, it's sweet.
Cheers, kuya! Cheers, Bunso! Cheers, Haniko! Tommy! You want more? There is more for Tommy. Now, it's time. Giving gift.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, kuya. Lugo. Lugo na ba, kuya?
Grabe ka lang.
Happy birthday, Nancy. Welcome to you.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, Hans.
Thank you, Tomas.
Happy birthday, Rans! God bless you! Ayan, wishing you all the best.
Thank you.
Gonna go make
Kape ata to eh.
cafe. Yeah, it's a coffee. Yeah.
Adidas.
Adidas. Thank you, Santa.
Thank you.
Yay!
Oversize.
Wow!
Thank you.
Thank you. Is that good? Fit? Is that large? Yeah? Medium? I think this is a medium.
But the Adidas is only tiny bigger.
Yeah.
Large.
Ah, large!
Jacket. Ata.
Some Puma. Switch. What do you call it? Hoodie. Hoodie. Buhok. Na-flat. Ganun. Hindi. Yeah. Be, tayo daw. Ibaba pa daw. Yan. Yan. Good job.
Pagkama.
Pag may.
May facility yung malaki.
Ayaw 17, what is that? It's so big. That's like medium.
Ito ata medium.
Yeah, that's a medium.
This is medium.
Yes. It's still good. It's a fit. Si may fit. Pero okay man. Ganda ng tela. Hello? The only big is the box. Big box.
Bongwa na to eh.
Monggo.
Ay,
Monggo and coffee. Toothpaste. From Amazon.
Soy sauce.
Vinegar dato puti.
blanket.
Blanket. For winter, of course. Winter coat. Winter hoodie.
Ganda yung tela.
Oo. Oh, di ba? Hindi ka nalamigin yan pag ano sa ano. Wow.
Ganda.
Oh, di ba? Oh. Yan kasya kay kuya. Oh, sana all. Ang ganda. Original pa yan. Thank you. And now we continue to put a cake or happy birthday to you.
Hindi na picture ni Kuya Cake ko.
Lakihan mo siguro sa kanila.
Akan yan.
Bunso ba yan? Ayun, ito pa kami kuya.
Ito ganun cake mo.
Hmm.
Ano na kailangan natin?
So me, that's our homemade cake. Yeah. Ayan, kay bunso daw yan. She wants small only. Thank you. Siguro mag-iwa ka muna bago ano. Iwa ka muna yung 3 or 4. Yan, ganyan. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, we need big. So it will be finished
Small too.
Ito mas to.
for Tommy.
This is for you.
Yeah, ito kuya.
Yeah, yeah.
Kuya. See, ano siya. Gamitan mo to para di siya magkulog. Okay, akin na yan.
Mahirap lang yun eh.
Oh, sabi ko sa'yo. Kasi sabi ko maghiwa ka muna ta lahat bago ano.
Sa ito.
Ayan, sige, sige. Sa'yo. Ang liit. Ang daya.
Hindi na pala tatayo to eh.
Sige, kasi maliit. Yan na kuya. Okay, enjoy. Yeah, that's my homemade cake. Enjoy cake.
Enjoy.
I wanna say what is the comments of the cake. Yung sambu.
Yeah, ito ba?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Work tomorrow.
What to drink?
Drink.
What to drink? Let's buy for drink.
For birthday 20. Cause baby,